guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm testing out something that has been requested quite a lot, and it is magnetic eyelashes. These ones are Eyeliner. They are cruelty free and they're the Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System Faux Mink Lashes. Easy application, up to 15 wears. Over the last few years, I've had a lot of emails from like Amazon sellers and sellers in China, and I think there was someone in Australia who have offered me my magnetic eyelashes, and I've always just said no, because they've always been the ones that are like the top and then the bottom, and then you clamp your eyelash between them. So like there's a magnet that goes under your eyelashes and then another one and they just stick together, and they look really good, but I was always like, it looks a bit fiddly, I don't want to do it. But when I saw them on people, I was like, they look nice, but I was like, no, I'm not going to do it. And then I saw these ones where the eyeliner is the magnet, and I was intrigued. I'm not going to lie, I'm intrigued. So I got these from Boots. They were £20 or like 19.90 something, I don't know, and we'll say 20 quid. But yeah, I'm very intrigued to use them. So it seems that on the back it just says apply 3 coats of liner across your entire lash length, allow each coat to dry completely, and then put the lashes on, which just seems too easy. And then if you need to remove the lashes, make sure to reapply fresh coats of liner before reattaching. So you have to do 3 coats of liner every time, I think. I'm hoping there's going to be like more detailed instructions inside, like how long to leave them to dry and stuff. But we'll see. So shake the magnetic lash liner before use. Apply 3 layers. Just allowed to dry. It doesn't say how long. Please ensure that the liner follows your upper lash line so the lash can hug the curve of your eye. Lay the magnetic lash on top of your natural lashes as close to the lash line as possible, and it will adhere to the liner. So that's all it says. Let's have a go. Let's have a go. What have we got to lose? So they're really pretty lashes. What did I do? I don't know what these ones are called. Faux Mink Wispy. I thought they looked really pretty. I didn't want to go too long because my glasses, my eyelashes will touch my glasses if they're too long, which isn't comfortable. So I'm going to find some scissors and see if they need trimming, and then we're going to get some eyeliner on. I'm scared, I hate eyeliner. I've had a look and I don't think they need trimming, but I've just took one off to like look at it, and there you can see the magnets. And you see there's 4 little magnets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are raised. There you go, you can see them. They're raised. Oh, I'm so intrigued. Right. So just give it a shake. So we'll give it a shake. Girl, put your records on, tell me your favorite song. Who else has like got that song stuck in their head from TikTok? And then people go BAM! And they've got the most amazing makeup. Right, she's shaken. So it is just a liquid liner. My worst enemy. I'm going to try and put the liner on. I'm not going to film it because you might be nervous.
A few moments later.
I've done one. I haven't gone for a wing or anything because I'm not stupid. I know my skills. So I've just done that. I'm going to leave it and see how long it takes to dry.
Much later.
I've got 1 coat on each eye. They don't match, obviously. I'm going to do coat number 2. It took about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes to dry. Coat number 2 on this one. favorite song. Tell me your favorite song. Don't go away, put your head down. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow.
One eternity later.
3 coats are on. I'm not gonna lie, this is more of a faff than putting on lashes normally. Like, my eyelids feel quite heavy. I think I'm supposed to put mascara on first. I'm gonna put a coat of mascara on because I don't want to do it afterwards. I'm dry. Let's see. Okay, I've got a lash. I've got my lash holder. So it just says, ah. It's on. Okay. It feels heavy as shit, but it's on. Ooh, whoops. Okay, I'm gonna try it without the lash holder just to see, because not everyone has one of those. So we're literally just, oh my god, you don't even, it just, you get it close and it goes boop and does itself. Well, fuck me. Can I wear glasses though? I am touching my eyelashes, my glasses a little bit. Oh. But they're on. They do feel very, very heavy. And I know that sounds weird because they're eyelashes, but that little magnet, those 4 little magnets do, because your eyes aren't used to holding anything, you've got to think your eyes are just there. But that little bit of extra weight is just, I can feel it. Like when I blink, I can feel the magnets. But if I've got to put my glasses on because I can't see properly. If I didn't know how to do regular lashes, and like I was a bit nervous about putting on regular lashes with the glue and stuff, then these would be like a game changer. But I would definitely not pick these over normal lashes because they do feel so heavy on my eyes. Like, I mean, they look nice, they're pretty. But they're just really, like, it's a bit itchy. Like, I can feel the magnets, like, on my eyelid, and I just don't like the feeling of it. This is just my opinion. Let me know if you've tried them, what you think. I'm going to see how long I can wear them for, but I don't think it's going to be that long because they are so annoying, and like I just feel like I'm needing to blink constantly. I'll put it on the screen, or I'll pin a comment or in the description box how long I actually wore them for. It's literally 10:01 in the morning, and we will see. But I don't think it's going to be that long because they are annoying me already, which is gutting because they are pretty. I'll see if I can like just power through and leave them on. But yeah, I think for someone who is a beginner to lashes, that you might like them, but it is just being able to get past the feeling of them on your eye. But if you can do normal lashes, do normal lashes, because normal lashes are generally cheaper than this. You can do your eyeliner how you want. I know you can do this eyeliner how you want, but it is a teeny tiny, it is a, where is it? I've lost it now. I like a pen eyeliner, and this is just a, it's quite a thick, there's not a lot of precision to it. Yeah, I think I wouldn't recommend them unless you were a beginner to lashes. But if you can do lashes yourself, then I really wouldn't recommend these. So yeah, maybe if like a kid wants, not a kid, but like a teenager wants to try lashes for the first time, and didn't have to wear them for too long, it might be okay. But I wouldn't. I just feel like I'm just having to blink a lot, so, which is annoying because they're pretty. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Let me know if there's anything else weird that you want me to try out.